All right, SQ7 oil change. A little dirty up top, but that's okay. We'll clean her up. So let me just pause this for a minute. Well, actually, no. All right, see here's clip. That's going down. Where you going, Jake? You inside? This clip right here. You can see under there. You just pull it down. Pull it towards you. See, it's off. And when this comes up, just kind of be careful because it's on there good, real good. Did I not get that one up clipped good? No. Oh, there we go. Yeah, make sure it's clipped. All right, now there we go. And here we go. All right. So we're getting it, folks. So what else we gotta do? So this got to come up. We're doing an oil change here. There's the air cleaner. Let's just set that over here. All right, the next task. Here we go. So the next task, this is fun, huh? You can see this. That's got to be disconnected. So to get to all that, we gotta take this off. You see how this is? Look, I'm almost gonna do it with my fingers. So you gotta pull this tabby up, pull it out. You want to set these somewhere where you won't lose them. So I'm gonna set these. Find a spot for them. You know what? That's a perfect spot. Right up here. All right, so we got a few of them to do. We got another one. See? I was pulling up with my hands. I gotta trim my nails. My nails are pulling them up. There's one. Let's see, I can do them all. What? I do it all with my fingers. There's another one. See? Well, I'm putting them up there. I gotta move them once I'm done here. Another one. Another one bites the dust. And another. And another. I wonder what they did right here. I don't know if this comes off. There's a button. Oh yeah, there's a button right here. That's cool, see? You push this in and it comes right up. See, snaps back in place. So, there's a button right here you push in and pull. Ooh, they make it easy. Look at all this plastic, what the heck? All right, I got another one right here. Okay. Look at that, y'all. I got it with my fingers. All right, so all this stuff here, let's set up here. What is that? Yeah, that's about 4 minutes just doing that. Okay, so this comes up. See that? It pops up. And these come out. And be careful here. And see how it sets inside there. That comes right out. See that? Boom. Yeah, baby. We're getting there, man. We're almost there. Woo! So I'm gonna set this over. A lot of plastic, I'll tell you what. So now we're to the Y pipe. Okay. So we gotta unscrew these two. And I think once this fell, Yeah, you see how that happened? Push that in, you know. So that locks it in place. Pull this towards you, and that goes up and out of the way, just set out of the way. All right, so what else we got here? I don't think. Let's see. All right, so that's just holding that air cleaner on up there. And I think our next step is that's the white pipe. I'm gonna have to wait to let it cool off a little more. She's a little hot. Oh, it's a little hot. All right, so let's pause this video. Let's see, I'm gonna take the air cleaner out. Make sure nothing else is holding us down. Okay, so I'll be right back. Hang tight.